Ever walk into one room that's freezing cold and another that feels like a sauna? Yeah, that's your HVAC system struggling. And guess who's paying for it? You are. But for just $25, this little device fixes the whole problem. Most homes have vents that just don't push enough air, especially in bedrooms upstairs or rooms far from the unit. You crank the thermostat, but that just drives up your bill and your comfort, still all over the place. You're wasting energy and you're still uncomfortable. But what if your vents could think for themselves and actually help balance the temperature in your home? That's exactly what this fan does. This is the TOTTE Quiet Register Booster Fan, and it's shockingly smart. It installs into any 4x10 vent in seconds, plugs into a standard outlet, and instantly boosts airflow from the moment it turns on. It comes with a wireless remote, so you can control speed, timing, and settings. Or let it run on auto mode and adjust to the room temperature for you. It's whisper quiet, under 18 decibels, so it won't wake your baby or interrupt your movie. And get this, it even has a negative ion generator to improve air quality. Dust settles, air flows, everything just feels better. Your home should be the place you feel most comfortable. But even airflow ruins sleep, raises stress, and wastes energy every day. This fan fixes that without replacing your HVAC or paying for ductwork. Put one in your nursery or the home office that's always hot. Use it in the basement where the air just hangs there. You'll feel the difference in under 30 minutes and wonder how you lived without it. Peace of mind shouldn't cost hundreds. This one's just $24.99, and it transforms the comfort in your home instantly. Tap the link and try it for yourself before they sell out again.